back with MiracleMAX for another cabin filter replacement, another one to add to your library. This time we're looking at a 2015 Mitsubishi Triton with a 2.4 litre diesel, the 4D56. What a majestic beast. Let's have a look and see how we fit this filter. Fairly typically, it's hidden in behind the glove box. Now in this case, as you can see, there's a lot of goodies in the customer's glove box, so I'm actually going to remove them so they don't spill out all over the floor. To lower the glove box itself, it's not hard, just push in the side here like that, pull back on that one, in theory, like that. Of course you've got to get your little max muscles working there and there again. You might have to lever it a little bit. Okay, so there we go. We now have to pull out this cover here, and I'll pop off these screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, what's that, 5, 6 I believe there are, to access the panel in the back there. But I'll pop that off shortly. Oops, there's another one hidden in there. Keep an eye on that one. Right, I'll pop that off and get back to you. So once all the screws are removed, it's a matter of pulling down on this cover like a DOS. Now, as you can see here, we've got a little connector. What's that, USB connector by the looks of things in the glove box. Just pop him out. That should slide back, I would assume, like a DOS. Okay, no problemo. The Tritons are unusual in the sense that the cabin filter door is actually part of the filter, and that's why it's held in by 2 screws. Generally there's a separate door compared to the filter itself, but in this case the filter and the door are one. So 1, 2 screws need to pop out. Keep in mind that there's a location hole here as well, and that will help you to keep it in the correct orientation. As you can see, airflow goes down toward the fan as it draws down negative pressure. Okay, the 2 retaining screws are pulled out, and we pop out our cabin filter, and as you can see, it's doing its job properly. I did replace this not so long ago, or I must say he's overdue for a service, but you can see that it's doing its job. It's caught a lot of rubbish there. And on the other side, you can see that the carbon side of things is nice and clean. So it's doing its job, but yeah, time to be replaced. Once again, not a sponsor, just thought I'd make you aware of the part number to make your life a little easier. Good on me. As you can see, the correct orientation, it says there, airflow down, and you've got that little locating pin there. So we just slide him into place and pop the 2 screws in, one here and one over here. The next thing that goes in place is this inner lining of the glove box, and don't forget your USB cable has to go through that little hole there. You pop him into place there, then all the screws can be refitted, and this little USB cable needs to be put back in here and of course across here. Once you've reinstalled the glove box itself with all the customer's goodies and you've got your USB cable in place, we shut it, make sure it's stable, and clean up any debris that's on the floor so that you do a professional job. So that's it guys, a cabin filter replacement on a 2015 Mitsubishi Triton. I've got a hook into the service to finish it off, but if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and feel free to comment down below. So until next time, I will catch you later. Bye.